Frustrated when Copilot gives you vague or useless code suggestions? In this video, I'll share 5 proven prompt writing techniques, including how to be specific, give better context, modify Copilot's output, customize its behavior, and boost your coding performance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to write smarter prompts and make Copilot your most reliable coding partner. Let's dive in. Let's start with first technique, be specific. If you just ask Copilot make my code better, it doesn't really know what better means to you. So the suggestion might be way off. Instead, give clear and focused instruction like enhance data encryption in the user credential class. Or maybe refactor this code to improve readability and maintainability. And another one could be write a Python function to calculate factorial. Specific prompt, give Copilot a goal, a location, and sometimes even give reason exactly what it needs to deliver smarter, cleaner, and more relevant code. Key takeaway: the more specific you are, the better Copilot performs. The second technique is give context. Copilot is smart, but it's not mind reader. The more context you give, the better the output. For example, you should write relevant function signature so Copilot understands function intent. Add short description explaining what your function or class is supposed to do. Whenever you are asking Copilot to generate code, include sample input and output, so it knows exactly what you expect. For example, I'll ask Copilot to create a create product function and provide a sample input and expected output to get smarter and more accurate suggestion. Think of Copilot like a new teammate. The more background you share, the better it performs. Sometimes Copilot first suggestion isn't exactly what you want, and that's okay. You can guide it to get it better result. To get better result, highlight the function and ask add error handling to this function. Add a comment like create a login function. Copilot will suggest a new function. If the suggestion isn't right, rewrite your prompt to be more specific. For example, instead of create a login function, say create a secure login function using JWT, authentication, and password hashing. This gives you more control and ensure Copilot's output matches your intent. Copilot isn't one size fits for all. You can tune it to match your styles and standard. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions. For example, create a copilot-instruction.md file in your project repository inside .github folder to guide Copilot on naming convention, framework, testing practices, and coding practices for the entire team. Inside the file, you can define rules like use camel case for variable and function, use Pascal case for classes and component, always write unit testing using jest, follow the arrange, act, and assert testing pattern. Then, in your IDE setting.json, set use instruction file to true. This tells Copilot to always follow the instruction defined in copilot-instruction.md. If you enable this, you don't need to duplicate your rule inside setting.json. Keep everything in copilot-instruction.md. It becomes your single source of truth. By centralizing instruction in one file, Copilot automatically adapts to your project's need and save your time from manually correcting. If you would like me to create a step-by-step tutorial on how to configure copilot-instruction.md file, let me know in comment below and I will make a dedicated video for you. If Copilot feels slow or off target, a few quick tweaks can make a big difference. Use .gitignore to exclude irrelevant files so Copilot focus on the right context. Keep your repo clean and structured. Messy codebase reduce suggestions accuracy. Be mindful. Prompt that you are manipulating or reverse engineering Copilot may be flagged. Do you need sample data? Copilot can generate realistic example automatically based on your code context. By optimizing your setup and prompt, you ensure Copilot deliver faster, smarter, and more relevant suggestions, helping you code more effectively. By applying this 5 technique, you can make Copilot work smarter for you, delivering more accurate, consistent, and efficient code suggestion. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Copilot Chat and explore how extensions, context, and command can take your coding workflow to the next level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and share your favorite Copilot use case in the comment below.